Hi friends, this is Naveen here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you people the important stocks that are announcing its quarterly results in Monday trading session, that is on 26th July 2021. So before getting into the video, a quick introduction about this channel. This channel is all about the stock market, where I will be uploading contents like daily analysis videos and educational contents on technical analysis. If you guys are new to the stock market and you want to learn all those things, do subscribe my channel. So let's get into the video. The important stocks that are announcing its quarterly results tomorrow are, let me mark that, Axis Bank. If you check the date over here, the date is visible over here, 26/7. Okay, all the stocks are coming with their quarterly results tomorrow, 26 July 2021. The first stock, the first important stock that is coming with this, that is announcing its quarterly results, is Axis Bank, Apollo Pipes, and see Jindal, Jindal Stainless, Kotak Mahindra Bank, M&M Financial, Larsen, SBI Life Insurance, Tata Motors, Sun Pharma ADB, Vedanta. So these are the stocks which I am feeling very important. Very important. I mean, it has to be watched in the tomorrow's trading session. Majority of the stocks are in the Nifty 50. So as these stocks were coming with their quarterly results in Monday trading session, these stocks might impact more on Nifty 50 index too. So how you can trade these stocks? Let me give an let me show you how I will be trading these stocks. See, this is my Fires trading account where I have watchlisted the result stocks. See, I have, you can see at this, you can see result stocks Monday. I have watchlisted these stocks. Okay. So if you observe the Apollo Pipes, though Apollo Pipes is announcing its quarterly results in Monday trading session, that is on 26th July. In previous trading session itself, it has made an almost 19% move. It is visible over here. Almost 20% move it has moved before the result is out, right? So it means that the insiders will be knowing the results, what the result was. So because of that, it might have moved. So if it continues the bullish rally in tomorrow's trading session, I'll be trading this. If I find the good opportunity, I'll be trading. Definitely, I'll be trading this. So what I'm suggesting you people is, do make a watch list of these stocks in your charts too, so that you can utilize the momentum stocks, and you might find the good trades in these stocks too. Okay, so you might have planned the stocks to trade tomorrow, you might have watchlisted the stocks. So my suggestion is, do add these stocks to in your watch list. So in case if you find any good opportunity in this, so you can make a trade on this too, right? So how I will be trading this is, I'll be I won't be tracking each and every stocks, though I have watchlisted my stocks which I'll be interested to trade. See, I have made a video on that. If you guys are interested, do watch this video too. So I will be giving my first preference to these 5 stocks which I have watchlisted. Do check the video for that. So apart from that, if I find any opportunity in this, I won't be tracking the chart of this. I'll be tracking the percentage change. See, if I click on this, Tata Motors is underperforming. So if the same continues in the next trading session, that is on Monday, if I will be opening the Tata Motors chart. If I find this very bearish, I might trade the trade. The same way, if I click on the percentage change, see Apollo pipes come in the first list, came in the first list, right? So tomorrow Vedanta might come, Axis Bank might come. I'll be clicking on this. Whichever the stock is overperforming, I will be interested to trade on the buy side. Whichever the stock is underperforming, I might trade I might take sell trade in that too. So this is how I trade in the result stocks. If you are interested to trade these result stocks, do make this watch list in your chart too, and you can initiate a trade whichever you feel comfortable. So if you want to know how to check this result stocks, I have made a separate video on that. I will give the link in the description box, and in the end screen also I will add the video. So make sure you watch that too. Thank you.